Alright, Secret DIY here. Today on this Fan Dabby Dozy episode I'm going to be showing you how to do painting inside of a cupboard. All the undercoating, the emulsioning, just to bruise it up and make it look better. And hopefully you'll get some tips along the way. Obviously you've just seen me start the caulk in the intro, and that's how it all starts off. You start off by caulking up all your little gaps and everything and get rid of everything. And from there on, this is how it goes. So I hope you enjoy the episode, and I'll see you in a moment. I'm going around caulking up, caulked all the edges up and everything, ready. And here I've used MDF. So I put some MDF in and I've made this cabinet here for boxes to go in for the wife. I've always used it up here as well. I've caulked up there, but I've got some holes to fill. So what I'm going to do is where here I've used some of this stuff already, which is basically 2-pack wood filler, white. There you go. And all I'm going to do now is I'm going to mix it up. So the best way I always do it is I always get the paint tub. And all I do is I just open it up like so. Get the 2-pack part, fill a bit out. Get enough out on your scraper to get the job, put it on, like so. And it's just a case, if you need about, I'll show you now, about that much on a golf ball worth of filler. And then basically just mix it in. To end up like that. And that's basically it. That's basically everything sorted out, everything done, and now it's all ready to go. Just pop that on there, pop everything back, and you're good to go. So I've already filled all these bits up now and I've sanded them down. That's took me about an hour the most, because it's got 2-part filler. That's why you mix in the hardener with the filler itself, and it goes off like no tomorrow. So that's all ready. So with that done, and obviously the bottom bit's done as well, as you can see. It's all been filled, all ready to go. Got myself a roller. That's a roll I'm going to use. Obviously you can go over there. Got myself a 2-inch brush, and I've got myself some undercoat, quick drying undercoat, which is there. There you go. Quick drying undercoat. Quick drying undercoat is basically going to go on there, and hopefully that'll dry out within, well, you're talking about half an hour, 40 minutes. And then obviously we'll be able to get 2 coats of this on, and I'll be able to put the satin wood. And in the meanwhile, also as well, I've got the emulsion to put on, which I've got some emulsion just over there that I found in the garage, which is some Egyptian cotton, sorry. That's what I've got. Now you probably think what this wire is. This wire is basically an aerial to go into there eventually for a TV, but obviously the wife has decided whether she wants it in, so I'm going to leave it in for now, and we'll decide later on if we want it sorting. So with that, I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's get cracked on. done, so I'm all sorted now. So I can basically give you the grand tour of it basically. As you can see, I've painted the top here, sorted all that out, painted that white and glossed all that, well, sorry, satin wood in it all. Painted all this round here, satin wood, emulsioned all this, emulsioned this here, ready. Like I say, this wire's for the TV when we finally get set up. I've painted all this round here, as you can see, so let's get a closer look. Down here I thought it would be a good idea to paint all this, but I didn't want to paint it water-based paint. What I wanted to do is I wanted to paint oil, so I got some satin wood because obviously the missus is going to be using the boxes. That's the satin wood I used. Oil-based paint, the rest is all water-based. Here I've painted that, emulsioned the walls here, just the mat, and there I've used a scrubbable because obviously there's going to be shelves eventually going up there eventually, but that's another story. And so yeah, that's basically it. So I'd just like to turn around and say thank you very much for watching. If you've got to this part, if you can find it in your heart to subscribe, that would be amazing. And just to say that watch the roads and don't be an hedgehog. Thanks very much. Here's me getting rid of all the weeds and showing my fence of my last project. Unfortunately I lost the footage for the fence of the last project at the end for the big reveal. I've been getting a few comments asking to see it, so here it is. Sorry for the inconvenience there, but I'll make sure it won't happen again, and I'll make sure I sort it before I put any videos out. Thanks for watching, hope to see you in the next one.